In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your device's keyboard. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on Additional Settings. Then Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, tap on Theme section, scroll down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. Now just click on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Manage keyborders thanks to this switcher. And hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, go back to the same settings. But this time select this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyborders and click Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!